Hallo, zusammen. Willkommen to your very first German lesson. This is A1, Lesson 1, and today we're diving into Begrüßungen. That means greetings in German. These greetings will help you start conversations like a true local. Let's begin. Hello. Hello. Simple and universal. Guten Tag. Guten Tag. This means good day. It's polite and formal, and you can use it almost any time during the day. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Say this in the morning. It means good morning. Great way to start a cheerful chat. Guten Abend. Guten Abend. This one's for the evening. It means good evening. Use it when greeting someone later in the day. Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. This is your bedtime phrase. Good night. Usually said when someone's heading to sleep. Tschüss. Tschüss. A fun, informal way to say bye. You'll hear this all the time in Germany. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. Formal goodbye literally means until we see each other again. Use it in professional or respectful settings. Auf Wiederhören. Auf Wiederhören. Almost the same as Auf Wiedersehen, but it's used only on the phone. It means until we hear each other again. Bis bald. Bis bald. It means see you soon. A warm and friendly phrase to end a conversation. Bis später. Bis später. This means see you later. You can say this when you plan to meet someone again later in the day. Bis morgen. Bis morgen. This one's easy. It means see you tomorrow. Great for classmates, co-workers, or friends. Schönen Tag noch. Schönen Tag noch. Wishing someone a nice rest of the day. Very polite and sweet to say as you leave. Mach's gut. Mach's gut literally means take care. It's casual and friendly. Perfect when saying goodbye to someone you know. Na, wie geht's? Na, wie geht's? A casual way to ask, hey, how's it going? It's like small talk. And yes, it's very common in Germany. Alles klar? Alles klar? It means everything good or all clear. Use it as a quick check-in when greeting someone. Awesome! Now, you've got over German greetings that locals actually use. Say them out loud with me. Practice. The more you say them, the more natural you'll sound. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to introduce ourselves in German, your name, where you're from, and how to ask others the same. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and let's keep learning German together. Thanks for watching. And as always, tschüss.